Kato katne ki jingkali ki badan kap nak menta ka staff nas DHS Meghalaya. Ka jingkali ki badan kong kabang kumne. The primary visual cortex is situated in the A. Frontal lobe, B. Parietal lobe, C. Temporal lobe, D. Occipital lobe. Correct option hane kadai occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. Kajingkali kabaar kabang kumne. Trichotillomania refers to A. Pathological fire setting, B. Pathological stealing, C. Compulsive hair pulling, D. Compulsive drinking. The correct answer here is C. Compulsive hair pulling. Brown sugar is option A. Diacetyl morphine hydrochloride, B. Theophylline, C. Lorazepam, D. Meterdine. Correct option hane kadai D. Meterdine. Lorazepam would drop out choice down a seizures disorder or seizures disorder. So correct answer here is Meterdine. Next question today. Heroin is a form of A. Tobacco, B. Poppy, C. Datura, D. Cannabis. Correct option here B. Poppy. The most common indication of ECT is A. Schizophrenia, B. Generalized anxiety disorder, C. Manic episodes, D. Major depression. Correct answer is D. Major depression. The sequence of administration of medication in anesthesia for ECT electroconvulsive therapy is A. Atropine thiopentone, B. Methotrexate, D. C. A. Atropine thiopentone, methotrexate, succinylcholine, B. Succinylcholine, atropine, thiopentone, methotrexate, C. Atracurium, succinylcholine, atropine, D. Atropine, succinylcholine, thiopentone, methotrexate. Correct answer hane kadai A. Number berbelai nengkong kin I atropine ban decrease of secretion number patient nom aspirate nangta hadin gato kin sa I thiopentone the sedation is used for sedation nangta last kin I succinylcholine nangta ayu for muscle relaxation. The theory of operant conditioning was proposed by A. Ivan Pavlov, B. Watson, C. Burroughs Frederick Skinner, D. Harry Stock Sullivan. The correct answer here is A. Ivan Pavlov. Indian Mental Health Act was passed in which year? A. 1983, B. 1987, C. 1985, D. 1989. Correct answer here kadai B. 1987. Next question kadai common side effect of ECT is impairment of A. Judgment, B. Speech, C. Thought, D. Memory. Correct answer hane kadai D. Memory. Memory kai saya kita kadai anterograde memory from recent memory. Dan early memory ke mengintip dari retrograde anterograde tambah HECT electroconvulsive therapy ke side effect kadai ka anterograde memory from recent memory. Retrograde ke past memory, anterograde ke recent memory. And kini memory kadai reversible. Dia side effect kerlang reversible kato kane por kini ki nompang kin do ya kane ka side effect akin do ya kane ka memory par hadin pat kin sa recall biang kin sa yo biang itu memory. Next question, repeated passing of feces in appropriate places after the age of bowel control is called as A. Enuresis, B. Encopresis, C. Hirschsprung disease, D. Physical abuse. Physical abuse nilai tip they already is a wrong, it's already an incorrect option. So we are left here with three options. Enuresis. Enuresis, the day urine, repeated passing of urine in appropriate places, the day enuresis. Tambahan of feces. Correct answer here is B. Encopresis. Hirschsprung disease kemudian Hirschsprung disease kemudian megacolon. Ada GI disorder in pediatric. Megacolon. Next question kabang kumne. Painful or difficulty in sexual intercourse is known as A. Hypersexuality, B. Vaginismus, C. Frigidity, D. Promiscuity. Correct answer here is B. Vaginismus. Next question is during psychiatric interview, patient retains a constellation of ideas long after they have ceased to be appropriate. Example, where do you live? London. How old are you? London. The term used to explain this condition is A. Perseveration, B. Mannerisms, C. Ambitendence, D. Ecofracture. Correct answer here is A. Ecofracture gamut ayu repeated action jangki baima. Karan ecolalia but ecofracture. Ecolalia gamut repeated words of others. Ecofracture but repeated actions of others. Mannerisms kada example take ye ambitendence kada kamder kumta kadan ka ambivalence kebadan two contradictory ideas to the same person. Kum ganuksa kadai kikon kilaban A lene kilaban AC kini kikpa ambivalence. Two contradictory ideas towards the person. Next question in effect. Which of the following is a method of inventory control in which the items are classified on the basis of rate lene speed of consumption? Option A, ABC analysis, government always better control analysis, VD analysis, vital essentials or desirable analysis, HML, high, medium, low, FSN, kemudian fast, slow, non-moving stocks, kini analysis. Correct answer option here kedai D. Kedai D mah FSN, fast, slow, non-moving. Kini kedai ke management questions. Next question kadai. In material management, the period in days that elapses between placing an order and receiving the source is termed as A. Lead time, B. Economic order quantity, C. Quantity survey, D. Reorder time. Correct answer here is A. Lead time. Lead time. Kene kaba kadega jengkeli management in simple ngalaman ang AP supporting order TRA na Amazon na Flipkart katu kapor bengi order masna order hadu kapor bengi receive itu items katu kapor ketika lead time katu kapor bengi up ketika lead time. Next, Board committee is also known as A. Health Survey and Development Committee, B. Health Survey and Planning Committee, C. Hospital Review Committee, D. Modular Committee. Correct option here is A. Health Survey and Development Committee. Executive House number 1943 to 1946. Health Survey and Planning Committee kedai Modular Committee 1962. Hospital 62. Hospital Review Committee done. So correct answer here is A. Health Survey and Development Committee. Theory X and Theory Y was proposed by A. William Ochi, B. Frederick Taylor, C. Mary Follett, D. Douglas MacGregor. Correct answer ane kadai D. Douglas MacGregor, Kene Rogadeka, Jinkali Management. Next, today, the famous 14 principles of management was first defined by A. Elton Mayo, B. Henry Fayol, C. Adam Smith, D. James Watt. Correct answer here today, Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol, B. Henry Fayol. The 14 principles of management kelompok Kamha. Next, today, Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Vibrio cholera were identified by A. 1. Helmholtz, B. Robert Koch, C. Louis Pasteur, D. 1. Leeuwenhoek. Correct answer here today, Robert Koch, 1843 to 1910. You knew Robert Koch, also known as father of bacteriology. Correct answer is B. B. Father of bacteriology. Nangta. Next, the last case of smallpox was reported in the world in correct answer Hanekade 1977. 1977. Yeah. Smallpox was hangat bhajing kikili, virus, variola virus, nangta. The last case of smallpox was reported in Somalia. Somalia, African country, Somalia, 26 October 1977. Next, all stages of rash are seen in chickenpox. B. Measles. B. Smallpox. C. Measles. D. Typhoid. Correct answer hanegade A. Chickenpox. Tapi kenapa kawai kata bagi batai chickenpox pleomorphisms kebadan all phases of rashes are present in chickenpox only. Itu ki macule, papule, pustule, and crust. Itu ki south stages jang rashes kidan high chickenpox at the same time. Ma, giwai kijing pang kim dan tah chickenpox. Measles, tapi kan mau kadang harga kali pang measles, couplic spots. Couplic spots present in which disease is measles. Typhoid likely ladder step fever. Ma kalau kum kijing ke ladder, kadang ladder steps fever kadang harga kijing pang typhoid. Umbilical cord contains A. Umbilicus, B. Placenta, C. Discus proligerus, D. Allantoid artery and vein. Correct answer hane kadai D. Allantoid artery. Dapikon mau an artery how umbilical cord ta dan way vein. Devan kan mau kumno awa. A kemun artery, B veins. Dan ekonom kan mau awa. Contraceptive pills or oral pills helps in birth control by A. Killing of ova, B.